This video is about logarithm equations. First step, you need to check all logs. If answer is yes, then you need to condensing logs both sides. And you will create this form. Then make argument equal to each other. Then solve for x. If not all logs in the equation, you need to isolate the log on one side. Then condensing the log, you will get this form. Then you will add base both sides, get p of x equals b to the 6th power. Then work out x. For y equals log base b of x, b greater than 0 and b not equal to 1. We know the argument x must be greater than 0. Therefore, when you figure out the solution, you need to check the solution to make sure the argument is greater than 0. Let's go to the example. Number 1, 14 plus 20 natural log of 1 over 5x equals 54. Not all logs in the equation. We need to isolate the log on one side. So minus 14 both sides. We will get the 20 natural log of 1 over 5x equals 40. Then you divide it by 20, both sides. Natural log of 1 over 5x equals 2. Since a equals c, then we know b to the 8th power equals b to the 6th power. Therefore, we will add e as a base both sides. We do know this is the formula we call inverse property of log. A to the log base a of x power equals x. Therefore, for this, we will get 1 over 5x equals e to the 2nd power. Then multiply by 5 both sides, x equals 5e squared. Then remember, check the solution. We need to check the argument. We only have one argument in this original equation. That is 1 over 5x. Solution, 5e squared. We plug into 1 over 5x is positive, so we put the check, which means x equals 5 times e to the 2nd power is the solution. Let's go to number 3. In the equation, not all logs, so we need to isolate the log on one side. It's already put the all log on one side. Then we need to condensing the log. First of all, we make these two jump as exponent. Natural log of x squared minus natural log of 9 equals 4. Then natural log of x squared over 9. Log is an exponent, subtraction of exponent, which means division of power, equals 4. Add e as a base both sides. We will get x squared over 9 equals e to the 4th power. Multiply by 9 both sides, x squared equals 9e to the 4th power. Then we do square root both sides. X equals plus or minus 3e squared. Then we need to check the solution. For argument x, we have two solutions to check, 3e squared and negative 3e squared. We plug 3e squared into this x, it's a positive. Negative 3e squared to this x is negative, so we put the cross, which means negative 3e squared is not the solution. So x equals 3e squared is the only solution. Let's go to number 5. In the equation, all terms are logs. We just need to condense the log on both sides. For these two, we need to turn into natural log of x times x plus 2 equals jump as exponent. So we have fifth root of 32. For fifth root of 32, we know 2 to the fifth power for 32. So we have 2. Remember, nth root of a to the nth power equals a. And 3 jump at the exponent, you will get the 2 to the third power. Therefore, natural log of 6 minus natural log of 2 plus natural log of 8. This is a distributive property. Natural log of x squared plus 2x equals natural log. We have a division line. 6 times 8 over 2. So we have natural log of x squared plus 2x equals natural log of 24. The argument equals each other. X squared plus 2x equals 24. This is a quadratic pattern equation. So x squared plus 2x minus 24 equals 0. Factor x plus 6 times x minus 4 equals 0. x1 equals negative 6, x2 equals 4. Then we need to check. For the argument, we have two arguments with the variables x plus 2, negative 6, and 4. Plug negative 6 into this x is a negative, so we cross out. You don't have to check x plus 2. You have to make sure all the arguments are positive. 4 plug into x is a positive. 4 plug into x plus 2, it's a positive. So x equals 4 is the only solution. Let's go to number 7. All logs are in the equation. So we just need to condensing the log. Log base 7 of x plus 6 equals log base 7 8x over 3x plus 2. Because this is a subtraction, we need to make a division of the power. Then the arguments equal to each other. We have x plus 6 equals 8x over 3x plus 2. Cross multiply. X plus 6 times 3x plus 2 equals 8x. Then FOIL 3x squared plus 2x plus 18x plus 12 equals 8x. Since this is a quadratic equation, we need to make the equation equal to 0 form. 3x squared plus 2x plus 18x plus 12 minus 8x equals 0. Combine like terms, 3x squared plus 12x plus 12 equals 0. divided by 3 both sides, we will get x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Near x, we will get the x plus 2 squared equals 0. So x equals -2. Then you need to check. For argument, we have 3 arguments with the variable x, x plus 6, 8x, 3x plus 2, -2. This is a positive, but this is a negative. So no solution to this equation.